Man, I am so glad to have this elaborate, greatly skillful stop-motion logo animation intro with these wooden blocks that I used in this build. This makes me a legit woodworker now. Be prepared for a slew of never-before-seen DIY pallet furniture videos. Holy moly, it will be a blast. Anywho, I cleaned up, cut up, dressed up, glued up, lost track of time, built 3x2 of these lanterns for this musical set. They could be replicated by you without a musical bit, but I'll be going hard in this track like I'm searching for snack. So hungry like I'm Pac-Man, choking on crackers. Whack like the rat, Braveheart suffered attack on. Put his body into quarters, now I'm getting off track. Anyways, the blocks are all 1-inch squares and are glued and nailed together. These bad mamas are quite sturdy and could probably bear the weight of several children, should you balance them on there. This being said, I would for sure like, subscribe, follow, share this video and my page, as that will help me become a lit fire DJ rapper and craft more thick beats and woodworking builds. Thanks, bye. There's more video. Keep watching. Thanks. Thanks.